Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this smartband. Basically how to restart it. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive buttons on the sides of your smartband. You have both of them on the both sides, and if you press them together the screen should wake up. And after you wake up the screen you can swipe down on the screen to scroll through the menu, find the option called the settings and tap on it to enter. In settings, scroll down by swiping up on the screen this time. Find the restart device option and tap on it. Then scroll down, find the restart button and tap on it, and wait until the smartband is done rebooting. It will take a couple of seconds. And here we have it. And that's how you soft reset this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.